Have you ever heard about Forex but never really understood how it works? In 5 minutes, I'm going to explain everything you need to know to understand this global market. I'm Chad Vermillion, part of the Zero Markets team, and today's topic is Forex, the world's largest financial market where trillions of dollars are traded every single day. If you want to understand how it works, why so many people trade in this market, and what you need to know before getting started, stay with me till the end. Make sure to like, subscribe to Zero Markets channel, and hit the notification bell. Every week, we bring clear, direct, and actionable content for those wanting to grow in the market. First of all, what is the Forex market? Forex stands for Foreign Exchange Market. It's the global marketplace where currencies from around the world are bought and sold 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. From the US dollar to the euro, from the Japanese yen to the British pound, every major currency flows through this massive market. Think of it this way. Every time you exchange one currency for another one, like when you travel abroad, you're participating in the Forex market. But beyond travel, Forex is a fully digital market where traders speculate on the price movements between currency pairs, aiming to profit from fluctuations in exchange rates. So how Forex works in practice? Forex trades are always made in pairs. For example, euro to US dollar. You're betting on the relative strength of one currency against the other. If you believe the euro will appreciate versus the dollar, you buy the euro US dollar pair. If you think it will depreciate, you sell. It's like a seesaw. When one side goes up, the other goes down. Practical example, you buy a euro to US dollar at 1.1000 and sell at 1.1050. That 50 pip move is your gross profit, which will be multiplied by your position size. Now, why is Forex so popular? Number one, massive liquidity. Over $6 trillion flow through the Forex market every single day. That means there's always someone on the other side of the trade, making executions fast, smooth, and highly reliable. Number two, open 24 hours a day, Monday to Friday. Forex operates nearly non-stop, following the sun across financial hubs like Tokyo, London, and New York. You can trade before work, after hours, or whenever suits your schedule. Number three, it's accessible for beginners. You can start with a small deposit and use leverage to amplify your position, though it should be used wisely. Leverage allows you to control larger trades with less capital, but it also increases risk. Now, check what you need to know before trading Forex. Number one, spread and swap. Every trade has embedded costs like the spread, the difference between the buy and the sell prices, and the swap, which is the interest adjustment when you hold a position overnight. Two, leverage is not free money. It magnifies your potential profits, but also your risks. Knowing how to manage leverage is what separates amateur traders from professionals. Number three, it's not gambling. Forex requires strategy, analysis, emotional control, and risk management. Impulsive trading leads to losses. For a tip, an analogy to remember. Think of Forex as a global currency fair. Each stall represents a currency pair, dollar versus euro, pound versus yen, real versus dollar. You can buy low and sell high, or the opposite, but you need to understand timing, movement, and how the market is reacting. It's the largest financial fair on the planet. If you understand the rules, you can trade intelligently. Forex is the largest and most liquid market in the world, but also one of the most technical. Understanding currency pairs, order mechanics, trading costs, and market hours already puts you ahead of many impulsive traders. If this video helped you understand how the Forex market works, please like, subscribe to Zero Markets channel, and hit the notification bell. Comment below. Did you already know about Forex? Have you already traded? Are you interested in starting? Tell me here.